guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell and hit that bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. So yeah, and please give me huge thumbs ups and yeah, let's get started. So if you didn't know, I have a puppet and I really love it so much. I haven't been playing with it, but that's okay. So let's get right onto the video of what we are doing today. So today I have a glove, and I'm gonna try to see if I can make a squishy out of this glove. And I got like the scissors just in case, and I also got tape so we can tape it up. And yeah, just let me go get the stuff. And yeah. So here's all my stuff. It's actually pretty bad, but I'm actually gonna look for some things that I will be using with it. But I have no idea what I'm gonna be using. Here, hold on, guys. We are made up on the shelf. We're gonna get another one of these so that we can. I'm gonna get another. I got other gloves so that we can stuff it in. So, it's because I kind of made a mess a little bit in my room. So, yeah, I don't actually talk like that. No. So we got this. We got this. So we're gonna just try to stuff it in if we can. We're just stuffing it. I'm just stuffing it in. So yeah. Think go. So I want to see if if you can actually squish it. You actually can do it. You can actually do it. But So now we're just gonna cut the hands where your hands are. So where your hands go. Because I'm gonna be using that for something else. So I just cutted the last one, and now you're just gonna do it like this, and then you can actually squish it. So if you want, you can do this too. I'm not saying you have to, but you can. I'm gonna try to like cover it up and stuff if I can. So I'm just gonna get the tape. I'm gonna get a lot so that you can roll it around. So you can put it all around. So that way it can basically stick. And there's the squishy. And there's the squishy. You should try this out, guys, because it's actually really stress relieving. You can't so I suggest you make this because it feels like it's actually pretty good. Do you see it? You can actually squish it. So yeah, I suggest you do it. And I'm using these for basically maybe wait, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Actually, I have no idea what I'm doing with them, but I am gonna use something with them. So guys, I might like put them together and make like a puppet or something. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So I only got oh. So I got like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna try to stick them together. So I'm gonna stick them together. So yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm so look, it actually goes up. So cool. So now. So now I think I have a puppet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just got like this thing. Oh! So I've got all 5 on. 1, 2, 3. So like I don't know, like it could just be like oh turkey. I just now decided to go be a turkey. Actually stick on it. Ugh, let's rip it off. Ooh, I don't want that. Be like, hold on. There's only 4, so I'm gonna have to put it on. And put these like that, and then. So that is it for today's video. So that is it for today's video. So yeah, make sure to don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and turn on those notifications so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. And please give me some huge thumbs up. And bye.